Me run to my cupboard and me just grab some Bizzy and me make me cup of hot water and me mix the Bizzy and me drink it, and in half an hour I could move Mount Everest.
My Jam Hearts family, how you do? Awesome, awesome. Today I'm gonna share with you yet another amazing Jamaican fruit slash plant. It is a Jamaican Bizzy, known traditionally for its anti-poison properties. But it's way more nutritious than that, way more versatile than that. In fact, it was also known to be used to make Coca-Cola. I'm gonna share that plant, that fruit with you. It is a Jamaican Bizzy. And I'm with Miss Lawrence. Remember that lady from the bamboo powder video? She's gonna help us explore this amazing fruit. First, do a special shout out to one of my special Jam Heart family, Aaron Nelson. He asked about Bizzy, this video. So Aaron, this one is for you. And to all my ardent subscribers and fans who always support my videos, who continue to like and share and comment on them, I say thank you. If you are brand new though, meaning you're here for the first time, I welcome you, but I invite you to also join us. I'm on a journey to showcase the real Jamaica. These kind of stuff. Natural herbs, unusual fruits, amazing people, amazing places, all of this good stuff, and I don't want to miss any of that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you now to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to Jamaican Bizzy. So here we are, guys, in the beautiful hills of Spring Gardens. Spring Gardens here in Kensington, St. James, Jamaica. A lot of history here. And this is one of the famous Bizzy tree here, the old Bizzy tree. Very rustic, very aged, so you can see it. Yep, that's it, that's it. I hope you can see some of the fruits on it as well, some green fruits. Let me try and show you a few more that are a little bit more pronounced. Here you go here. That's a Bizzy, the green Bizzy. I'll show you a few more as well. There you go, that's a Bizzy. And this is the superstar, Miss Lawrence. Remember her from the
Hi guys.
The bamboo powder video.
The bamboo lady.
Bamboo powder lady, yes.
Yes.
Here she
Remember
is.
we did the bamboo video with the bamboo powder, the bamboo soap, the bamboo hair booster, you name it. I'm here today to let us give you some more knowledge of the good old Jamaican Bizzy.
Right. All right, man. All right. And this is it, guys. This is it, the Bizzy. So this is
the green fruit of the Bizzy.
I'm gonna ask Miss. This is what it looks like. It's not smooth at all. I mean, it's lumpy.
Yeah, it's rough, like it's lumpy. It have these lumps.
Yes, yes.
But we are gonna slice it and we are gonna discover what is inside.
The seeds on it. Right. Okay, all right. Go ahead, Miss Lawrence. All right, good. Oh, all right. No. That is beautiful. Hold on. I'm gonna ask you to come this side. All right, perfect. So look how pretty this is. We have to take a picture. All right. No, I'm told, Miss Lawrence, that they can have the seeds. These are the seeds, obviously, right? And they can have multiple colors.
Right.
If you take off this white area, you will discover what color is in it, and they're not. So they're not always the same color. So I'm gonna ask you now to take. Actually, we're gonna do for the fun of it. Peel off this white area, and let's look and see what color. Color is.
Okay, I'm gonna use this.
Yes. So and actually, it can be.
I'm gonna loosen it from the pod. So
yes,
I'm gonna peel off the inner part.
No, and actually, peel off that.
We are gonna peel off this, and guess what is coming up? It's pink.
All right, so this one is pink. This
is pink. We are getting pink color.
All right, great.
Right.
All right, let's jump to the other one in the interest of time and look and see what color, if it's the same color. Because I am told, based on my little research, that it can have multiple colors. So let's see what we have here.
No, we have, you'll call it baby pink. No, we are having a baby pink color.
And did you know, Miss Lawrence, that we can actually eat that now? We can bite it and chew it, you know.
Well, I've never tried
You've never
biting
tried it.
it like this,
Today's a good day to try
but
it.
I am going to try.
All right. Yeah, and I'm gonna share with you a little history. Ah! All right. So it's nothing very tasty, obviously, but that's beautiful. That's what it looks like. All right. So that's the seed, and this is what.
I don't think I enjoy it.
Yeah, you're not gonna enjoy it, but this is what, guys, historically can be eaten like this, or grated,
to make
dried, and make tea,
yes,
or whatever else, or as we mentioned earlier, use as a tea for poison. That's traditionally how we use it.
Right.
But I'm not gonna preempt Miss Lawrence. I'm gonna ask her to tell us a little bit more of how you use it. You know your foreparents use it.
We typically call it Bizzy, but some people call it Kola Nut. And from I was a kid, my parents have been using this nut to make every household in our district used to have Bizzy. Because Bizzy is used for poisoning, Bizzy is used for upset stomach. They used to grate the Bizzy and mix it with ginger and throw white rum on it for ailment. So Bizzy is a very versatile nut.
Yeah, we're gonna share, I think 12 amazing health benefits, guys, about Bizzy. We're gonna share that with you. But just before, I want to share some additional facts, some amazing facts about Bizzy that you need to know. Scientifically known as Kola acuminata, it is, number one, contains a significant amount of caffeine. Did you know that, Mister?
Yes, yes.
Significant amount of caffeine, making it a potent natural stimulant. The caffeine content can provide an energy boost, increase alertness, and combat fatigue. That's one. Number two, and this is a little, well, I suggested it earlier. Bizzy, or the Kola nut, was actually used in the original formula to make Coca-Cola. Yes, that is huge. So it played a significant role in the development of the soft drink industry, we were told. And number three, a bit of history for you. It actually came to Jamaica, to the Caribbean, via the slave trade. It's our foreparents that brought it here from West Africa, of the Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon era. We were told
it was here from in the 18th century.
In fact, it is native to that area, rainforest, tropical rainforest of the West Africa, and it was used in rituals then, and even now, I am told, in traditional ceremonies, social gatherings, and even as a symbol of hospitality, reflecting its deep-rooted cultural importance. So Bizzy is a big and significant product not just today, but historically as well. We are learning a lot more about it now, and we thank God for science, because we are learning a whole lot more about it from the research that has been done. So I'm going to share with you 12 shocking science-based health benefits associated with the use of Bizzy. But just before, I'm going to ask Miss Lawrence again to tell us a little bit more about the Bizzy, the different forms, and how we convert it from Bizzy, from hard, solid nut form to a more usable form, certainly in Jamaica and the Caribbean here.
Well, this is a nut. As we were showing you the procedure a while ago. We cut it and we were showing you the different color stages. This is the other stage that it goes to. So we normally wait until the pod is open. Then we take out the nuts and scrape them off, and we get them dry until it becomes this stage. When it is at this stage, we are going to grate it and put it to dry. And then when it dry now, we're going to turn it into the powder, the powder base.
So these are the
So
different
that
forms.
is a different processing.
This was actually like great. It was grated, right? Or
No, this goes through a machine.
okay.
Because I want it to be as smooth and fine as possible. So when customer buy it, they don't have to go through no straining process.
Okay. So it's instant almost.
Right.
All
We'll
right,
call
great.
it instant
Busy.
busy.
All right, awesome. And let's jump right into the health benefits, guys. I know you're waiting for that.
Please be reminded that we are not a medical professional. So therefore, if you want to use Bizzy or any other herb, please, and you have a medical condition, I would advise check with your medical professional before.
Absolutely. All right, so tell us again about the traditional health benefits as you know it, Miss
The
Lauren.
traditional health benefits guide. Did you know that Bizzy is good for migraine? Because migraine, Bizzy contain caffeine. And you know that caffeine dilates the blood vessel.
Interesting, I didn't know that.
So if you're having migraine headache, you can take a cup of Bizzy and you're good to go.
Awesome.
Bizzy is also a mood enhancer. If, all right, plenty morning I might wake up and I have something stressful to do, and by sitting there thinking about it, you feel tired even before you start. So you know when I run to, me just run to my cupboard.
Not your coffee.
No, not the coffee. Me run to my cupboard and me just grab some Bizzy and me make me cup of hot water and me mix the Bizzy and me drink it, and in half an hour I could move Mount Everest. Believe me.
Wonderful. Anything else?
Yes, and Bizzy, I must tell the gentlemen, listen. Listen. Did you know that they have done studies recently and have found out that Bizzy have a substance named phytoandrogen, which is good for the prostate health?
Awesome. awesome. And I'm gonna back up what you said now with some research that I have done as well, Miss Lawrence. We're gonna share it now with my readers, guys. You ready for that? Come on, give it a like right now. Yeah, so number 1, increase energy. Miss Lawrence alluded to that. Bizzy contains natural caffeine, which can promote a natural energy boost and combat fatigue. You know what you're talking about, Miss Lawrence. Number 2, mental alertness. The caffeine in Bizzy can enhance focus, concentration, and overall cognitive performance. Number 3, and many of us will love this, weight management. Bizzy has been linked to appetite suppression.
Yes.
Potentially aiding in weight management efforts. Number 4, a digestive aid. The Kola Nut, this Kola Nut here has traditionally been used to promote digestion and alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort. Number 5, we're going to 12. So when we reach 6, I'm going to ask you again to give us another like. Number 5, antioxidant properties. Bizzy contains natural antioxidants that help promote against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. You never know so much about Bizzy, not true? Number 6, now you're going to love Bizzy. Number 6, a mood enhancer. The caffeine and other compounds in Bizzy may improve mood and alleviate the symptoms of depression. Number 7, we say 6 like? Go ahead, I assume you like already, so I'm continuing. Number 7, good for respiratory health. And these are stuff, these are science-based stuff we're talking about now, guys, right? This is not just tradition. Respiratory health. Studies suggest that Bizzy may have bronchodilator properties, which could help in respiratory conditions like asthma. Number 8, Bizzy contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may reduce inflammation and its related symptoms. Number 9, oral health. Chewing Bizzy has been traditionally used to freshen breath and promote oral health. And now, we tried eating it earlier. It was horrible, but we know that there's good. We can actually use, if we have to use it.
Don't
we use
watch it taste.
Watch the
benefits.
Watch the benefits or good oral health. Number 10, Bizzy may act as a natural diuretic, promoting urine production and helping with detoxification. Number 11, it has antimicrobial properties. Studies have found antimicrobial properties in Bizzy, which suggests that it may have potential benefits against certain bacteria and fungi. And number 12, just general nutrition. General nutrition, Miss Lawrence. Bizzy is an excellent source of nutrients like vitamin B, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Man, come on, give us a great job. give us another.
Excellent.
This is awesome stuff. This is the same old Bizzy.
Same old
Bizzy that we many people didn't. I mean, we only know it as what you call it? Anti-poison, which is an antidote for when we get poisoned.
Right.
But we are learning now that it's much.
That it have so many
way
benefits.
more than that,
way
guys.
more benefits.
Way more benefits than that. Miss Lawrence, how do you? Typically, we use it in a tea format. Most persons, we are learning now that we can eat it raw, but typically we use it in a tea format. How do you use it? How do you suggest?
Well, we are going to prepare ourselves a cup of hot water or boiling water. You're going to add 1 teaspoonful of the Bizzy powder to the water. You're going to give it a stir. You can let it steep for about 5 minutes. And then you can add, some people like it with condensed milk. And, well, I don't like no herbal tea with no form of sweetener. But as I say, it is your choice. You can add your condensed milk. You can add your honey. It's your choice. And then you just sit and enjoy your cup of Bizzy tea.
She's showing off, guys, because she brought out our thermos here to show us how to make make the Bizzy tea. So we have a little thermos here.
Yes.
And we have a little cup here.
Yes. And we have with spoon.
And we have with spoon.
So,
and we have, okay.
I'm going to carry some condensed milk for Mr. Gail because he might like the condensed milk one.
I'm not as I'm not as mature yet to drink it without without all the sweet stuff.
So this is
that's the hot water here.
Yes. This is another cup of hot water. Right.
And
so let me just cover this. All right. So this is a spoon already, so I want to get a level teaspoonful in both of them.
We have a little breeze here, guys, so we're battling this.
So this is it.
Looks good, looks good.
This is it.
So it obviously takes the color of the product as well.
Right. So there's a Bizzy. And as I said, Mr. Gail maybe want some good old condensed milk in it. I don't want any.
I'm not really, okay, for the record, I'm not really a milk person.
All right, dear Mr. Gail.
Yeah, thank you.
Here is your milk.
So what you said to me earlier, Miss Lawrence, was that
I am going to take a sup, guy. I can't wait.
All right, good. All right, so tell me, Arnie, what it is. So you mentioned earlier that you actually prepare it, so you don't have to strain it. It just dissolves, right?
It just dissolves.
It's like instant coffee.
Yes. It's like you're making a cup of instant chocolate or instant coffee. That's just the same. You don't have to strain anything.
Okay. So this is ready to use, ready to drink formula.
Right.
For the record, I was saying that I'm not really a milk person, right? But yes, I'm a sugar person.
Oh, you're a sugar person.
No, meaning I have to take it with something, a sweetener. It doesn't.
You want it with the milk?
Yeah, man. I put the milk in. I put it with it, the condensed milk. I don't dwell on it, but you know, I'll do it for you guys. I'll do it for you guys. All right. So this looks good. So you need to tell them what it tastes like.
You want it sweeter than this?
No, man. That's fine. That's fine. So you tell them what it tastes like.
This is not my tea, so I'm gonna.
No. Well, no. What did your Bizzy taste like?
My Bizzy
without the sugar, without the sweetness.
My Bizzy tastes like organic Bizzy.
So somebody who have no idea what Bizzy is, though.
To be honest, I don't even know how to describe it.
There's no other herb or.
There's no other herb taste like it. It don't taste like chocolate. It don't taste like coffee. Bizzy is just unique. You would have to taste it to come to the conclusion, and maybe you can sort of, come to a conclusion how it tastes to you. But for me, because I am used to Bizzy from early days, Busy is just busy to
Busy,
me.
just busy. I love that. All right. Thank you, Miss Lawrence. I'm a busy tea. I'm gonna run off and have my busy tea, but just before, guys, I want to give Miss Lawrence here. Actually, it is one of her products that she has. So I'm gonna ask Miss Lawrence again. I keep forgetting the name, Miss Lawrence, to show us your busy product and tell us how persons can actually reach you if they want some authentic Jamaican
Yes,
busy.
well, this is the busy powder, guys. This is the busy powder. As we say,
I love it. By the way, I love your packaging.
Thanks.
The label.
As I say, we harvest it from the pod, open the pod, get out the nut, we get it dry. You can't completely dry it because if you make busy completely dry, you can't grate that now crush that.
It's tough.
Yes, it's very tough. So at this stage that the busy is now, this is the stage that we normally grate it and get it dry, and then we turn it into this instant powdered form.
And you package that.
And we package that.
Awesome. How can persons get to you if they're interested in Bizzy or any other product? And in fact, we're going to show some of the other products that you have. But
well,
if they're interested in
persons who are interested in reaching us, we now have a website. It is the www.theseislandclassic.com. Or you can find us on Instagram. You can email us at theseislandclassic48@gmail.com. Or you can call us on WhatsApp at 876-394-3764.
Okay, and speaking of all the products, I'm gonna grab the opportunity as well, Miss Lawrence, and ask you to showcase some of the other products that you have. I know you have a thriving little home business here, and I'm so proud of you with stuff that you do. The Bizzy is just one, of course. The bamboo powder was a big hit.
Yes.
Actually, start with the bamboo powder. So let's look at some of the stuff you have here.
Remember this one, the bamboo powder.
Yeah.
Guys, I got called from as far as Africa.
How about the bamboo powder?
Nigeria. Because they were telling me that they have it in their backyard, but they didn't know how important and beneficial this powder is.
There's a link in the description, guys. If you want to see that video with all the details about this.
Yes, you can go to the bamboo video, and you can get all the details from the bamboo video.
All right, and so quickly, just run through the other products that you have here.
All right, now we have the Jamaica chocolate powder. As I say, it's easy. You just add your milk, and you just add a spoonful or two into it. It depends how you want it, and add your sweetener, and you're good to go. And this is our Jamaica turmeric powder.
Love your packaging.
Thank you. And this is our Jamaica pimento powder. And this is our guinea hen weed tea.
Whoa. And okay. All right, guys. So
and our vervain tea. And here now, guys, there's a new kid on the block. The Jamaica High Mountain coffee. We are processing that now.
Okay, so you haven't had the label and stuff.
No, the label is in. The label is in. We are currently doing the labels.
All right, awesome.
Right. And this is our dandelion powder.
Dandelion. We also did a video on dandelion. So, by the way, all of these videos that we're talking, many of these products, guys, we have videos. We have videos on them.
On the dandelion.
The dandelion, we have one. The chocolate, we have one. The bamboo powder, we have one.
And the bamboo soap.
And so check the description for all of these products. I also have a video on turmeric as well. It wasn't done with Miss Lawrence, but we have another big video on turmeric, Jamaican turmeric and stuff. But she also have some here. Is that a hair booster?
And this is a ear booster. This is we incorporate some of the bamboo with the Jamaica organic black castor oil with Jamaican herbs. And this is excellent, ladies, for your hair.
Awesome.
And this is the original, and they talk about the bamboo honey soap.
All right, well,
this is the bamboo honey soap, which we use the bamboo incorporate it with Jamaica honey
Uh-huh.
and all the natural oils like olive oil and essential oil.
So
and
hold on
make
a
it-
second, mister. Oh, and I see castor oil here, right?
Yeah, and
The
that
big
is
bad
it.
Jamaican castor oil.
Yes.
But hold on, the original soap that you had, it didn't include the oils in there, right? The bamboo soap. Is that new?
Yes, I did.
Oh, so it's the same bamboo soap.
I did.
Well, I can vouch for it, guys.
I
can
did.
vouch-
It's the same thing.
All right, well, I can vouch for it. I'm putting my finger on it because I use it and I gave it to a couple of friends, and trust me, they love it. This bamboo soap here. But anyway, I just wanted to showcase some of the other products that she has here. I'm very proud of her.
Yes.
With her little home
And
business.
guys, I must give you guys a reminder, especially the men that have been calling me.
Yeah.
They want something to hang their towel on.
Yeah.
We're all big people and we know what we're
Yeah.
talking about.
Yeah.
And I'm currently putting some things together for you guys, some different herbs.
Uh-huh.
So that will be out soon. So just follow Mr. Gail channel or follow my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
and go on the website, and whenever that powerful herb solution is out, I guarantee you, your home will be a happy home.
Oh, well, I'll tell you what too. We'll have it in the description of this video as well.
Right.
So whenever it's ready, we're gonna put it in the description here. So look forward to that.
Right.
That is the Bizzy, guys. I want to hear from you how you use it. Are you familiar with it? Have you seen it? If you have, tell me about how you have used it in the past. Run to the comment now and drop something in there. We want to hear from you. Thank you, Miss Lawrence. The Bizzy, guys. Wow. You know I'm gonna ask you to share this video. You know, especially now you have some new knowledge, new learning. And you know now that it was actually used to make Coca-Cola back in the day. It's a fact. Go ahead and research it. But more importantly, I want you to share this video with someone, man, and extend the knowledge, extend the new learning. There's another video you need to see, and it's how we make original Jamaican chocolate tea with my brethren, Mr. Atkinson. There's a link in the description, and it's in the card above. See you in that one.